Welcome to Thailand. We've been here for a month working remotely. We started off in Phuket in the south, learned to dive on Koh Tao Island, lived with locals in Samro Yacht, and now made our way to the capital city, Bangkok. Come join us as we explore the hustle and bustle of Bangkok. Tomorrow will be a week and we've seen basically nothing because we're digital nomads, so we work during the week and try to do life during the week, and then weekends we explore amazing places. We're going to the Grand Palace. I have to wear something that covers my knees. Men have to wear pants that reach their ankles. But apparently they sell stuff there, so hopefully you can buy some pants there. So super excited to explore it and try some cool foods. We stayed in a really cute apartment in the city. Bangkok has great apartment buildings with lots of communal living spaces, workspaces, gyms and amazing pools at really affordable prices. On the way to the metro, which is really easy to work, really nice, really clean, really air conditioned, like it's cold, you need a sweater. So this is a map of the metro. We are at the main station where everything meets. Phra, which is where we stay. That is our building. The train is really cool and it's super affordable, and then it's like 30 baht per ride. The only sucky thing is that you need a different ticket for the metro, the blue line, and for the green one, the sky train, so you need to buy a different ticket to get that. And you can use the machine to load money, but you can also use the tellers, and then you can use your card, but it's like a minimum of 340 baht, which isn't bad. Charity's getting us money for our cards. Also, the train comes like every 4 minutes or every 5 minutes. There's literally people selling clothes before you enter. Just as you turn the corner, they're like, hey, come here, you can't go in, you're gonna need this. These ladies selling clothes, so Jared got some pants. So it looks super comfy.
My name is Phra.
That was a very nice English guide that we found outside the temple. There are plenty of guides here. The Grand Palace complex was built in 1782 after King Rama I ascended the throne. This complex holds the royal throne and halls, but also government offices and the temple of the Emerald Buddha. Thailand is in fact still a constitutional monarchy with a democratic government, and it has a king. And there are some serious rules in Thailand, like it is illegal, a criminal offense, to be critical or make a joke about the king or anyone of the royal family. Yep, that is a 15-year prison sentence, even for insulting the king's dogs. But these sights are truly to behold. This still looks like Disneyland, California to me. The palace was really cool. Well, it's more the Emerald Buddha. The palace you can just see from the outside, so that's quick. The Emerald Buddha takes longer with the buildings, but you don't need more than an hour for the palace. And then you can walk to the water, and there's this underground tunnel that has aircon in it. We've put my camera away because it's a little hot.
Oh, it's my phone. I was thinking
on your phone. Yeah, I'm recording on your phone. It's a little hot and the camera is a little heavy right now. We got a very refreshing bowl. There's the Waterun, which is the view that we're staring at. But I'm gonna turn around now. We had a whole day of sightseeing planned, but it was so hot and we were really tired from the week. So we decided to go watch a movie. This is actually the first country in this year of traveling. We're using public transport. Like, it was either closed because of COVID, so a lot of public transport were closed, like in Ukraine, or only locals were allowed to use it. Well, yeah, the train is so nice and it's aircon. The best thing about this underground is the aircon.
BL27.
We're at B31 and we're gonna go to BL27 to the malls, to the aircons. There are so many stray animals in Thailand in desperate need of a meal. For every new subscriber to this channel, we feed or donate a meal for a stray animal. You can also visit the link on the screen or in the description to donate more meals for only the price of a coffee. Then we finally arrived at the mall, Siam Paragon, one of the largest malls in the world.
Royce, you wanna go to the Lego store?
I do, but I'm gonna buy.
Whole store just for DJI. This is where you wanna come buy your Samsung. We are literally just in the electronic market here. It is insane.
Look at this is the Neo QLED. It's one of the best TVs in the world.
Oh really? This TV is $250,000. But the drink is very big.
It's massive.
It's like, this is my face.
It's massive.
Oh really? They only have cheese and salt popcorn and sweet popcorn. And then they have mini sausages. So you can have popcorn and sausages.
Very, very tiny.
Before the movie started playing, they played the national anthem and everybody stood up for the duration of it. Only in Thailand.
And everything is so much cheaper here. DJI RC2, 11,500 baht, 5,000 rand. I paid 8,000 rand.
My new hobby.
You excited?
Yes, just before I turn 30.
Jared working with his new droney.
The mall has the most insane food court with any meal you can imagine.
Real Asian food here. This is shrimp spring rolls with some truffle in. A lot of shrimp in there. Wow.
Did you eat the paper or did you take the paper off?
No, I'm eating the paper. I don't think I've ever eaten a bun that's so nice on the inside. It's like sweet, soury pork. This is a daiku. I wanted a mochi bowl, but then this looks better. I've never had a daiku before. I have no idea what it is inside. It's like mushy, jelly-ish. Oh no! It's a chocolate strawberry. It's a strawberry inside.
What's wrong with that?
I thought it's gonna be like a chocolate inside. It's really good. Jared is unpacking his new FPV drone.
You fly it with the goggles on.
Oh, it's very different.
See, so it only goes up and down.
It looks like a stormtrooper a little bit.
Yeah.
When you order food, because it's like such an order culture, they leave it in the basement, and then the security guard that sits there, not to really look after your food, but to help you, I guess. That's so cool, so they don't have to wait for you to come to stairs and struggle and stuff. They're really smart. You can download this app, and you can pay through this app. Then this app, Trinity Wash, just notifies this exact machine to start washing. Also really not bad, 20 rand, 40 baht to wash all our clothes. It is 8 p.m, almost 8 p.m. on a Friday night. Sitting and working. A digital nomad life. Woo! It's very exciting.
In the next video, we compare local Thai clothing prices to the mass H&M and what you get in Thailand for your money. It's insane. Also, we go explore the local neighborhoods of the city. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.